Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to restore deleted on Android without backup. You or someone else may have accidentally deleted contacts from your Android device, and the contacts are very important to recover them. First of all, open up the Gmail app on your phone. Once you open up your Gmail account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then it will show you the drop-down menu of your account. Now click on the Google account option, and it will take you to your Google account from where you can find many options. So, go into Data and Privacy from your Google account, then scroll down in Data and Privacy and tap on Download Your Data. Now it will take you to the Google Takeup page. After that, scroll down unless you find contacts. Once you find the option, tick to choose it. Then tap on the vCard format option, and you have to choose the vCard as your format. After that, scroll down on that page and click on the Next Step button. Now you need to select the file types as zip and click on Create Export. Then from the export progress, click on Create Another File. And now your requested backup is ready to be downloaded. Then click to download the file. Now it will ask you to enter your account password, and then you can open up the downloaded folder. You can open it up, otherwise you can close this page. Open up the File Manager. From the File Manager, you can see all the things you keep on your phone. So click on the Downloads option and go into the Download Manager. Then click on the Takeouts zip file and open up all the contact files. Now you can import contacts to your phone, Google, or Gmail. After that, you can import the contacts. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.